Welcome back, friend. So friend, in this video we will stylize this image. So I come back, and first of all I go, this is my small.css style sheet page is open, and I go to my medium.css page, and this is the friend section top image ends. So I will have to copy all this section. I would like to tell you again that I have come in medium.css style sheet page, and I am going to copy section top image starts all this section, and this is section top image ends. Control C to copy, and I come here and I paste all that code here. So friend, we are to make some amendments in this code. So section top image padding 0 with 100 margin top. So first of all we are to change this margin top. It should not be 34, it should be 28 pixel. Dot top image showcase list style none, and friend, we are to remove this width also for small sizes of devices. Control S to save. Once again I will tell you that I have decreased this margin top to 28 from 32 pixel, and I have decreased the width. Now I come down, dot top slash image showcase li display block float left. Display block and float left. So friend, we are to give some width and height here, and so here I will give some width 100% and semicolon to close. So friend, dot top slash image slash photo with 100% overflow hidden margin left. So I give some background color hash 000. Control S to save. Dot top slash image slash photo img, and friend, the remaining text will remain the same, but I will come out of it, and here I will call that big class. Margin bottom 3 pixel, line height 120%, semicolon to close. So now friend, I will go to my Chrome browser and refresh it. So you see that this image has been attached with the header banner, and this black color is also showing as it is background, this back color. So friend, now this image is also has been adjusted. So now I come here, if you don't give this background color I show you, then that black color will not show. Control S to save. So I come here, I refresh it. Now you see that black border is not showing right the bottom of this image, but I think that border is looking more good. Control S to save, and I refresh. Now you see that if you want to give, then okay, if you don't want to give, then you can remove. So friend, now I come back here, and now friend, I will call the footer. So I will write here footer 2 curly brackets, and inside I will give some border top 2 pixel solid aqua. Friend, I have given this border. I scroll it down to show to this area, the footer top, to make a little different between the footer and the navigation bar. So I refresh this page. So you see that some little border is showing here. So now once again I come here, and friend, once again I call the body tag here, but I don't have any need to call this body tag because I did not have use any body image, as I told you before. But if you use, then you must call this body tag, and here you will write background / image none. I have written it just for you. So I come back here and refresh it, and nothing will be happened over it because I am not using any background image. So friend, now once again I make it to show you preview that how it looks like on a big screen. So friend, our layout has been completed. So it is preview over the big screen. So friend, you see that these transitions are running. This is the search box and these three sections, and this is the contact us form, and this is the footer. And if I decrease it is size, and this size is for the medium size of device. You see that header image has been decreased to this level, and logo size has been also decreased because this preview, these image sizes also have been decreased, and this form and this preview is for the medium sizes of devices. And when I decrease it is size more, and you see that header image size has been decreased, and this image size also has been decreased, and this preview is for these three sections are showing in a line, block style, and these image size, and this is the form, and this is the footer. Navigation has come down right above the footer. So friend, I have made this complete responsive layout for you. So I hope so that you will like this course. So if you like, you must give me good reviews.